You're getting the error mfc140u.dll was not found when launching a program or game on your PC. This issue usually appears because Microsoft Visual C Redistributable files are missing, corrupted, or outdated, or because an application was installed incorrectly. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Download the x86 installer. Download the x64 installer. Double-click the x86 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Double-click the x64 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Now restart your PC to apply the changes.